In this video, we will see a very common error that we see in Google Search Console, which is titled as datavocabulary.org schema deprecated. Now, first of all, we have to see what is structured data. Structured data are used by search engines like Google to define the meaningful structures of data for web applications. Google uses structured data in standardized format to share the schemes on search results pages. These search results can provide information for that particular page and describe what is on that page. There are two types of structured data. First one is schema.org and second one is datavocabulary.org. Now the next important question is, what is datavocabulary.org deprecated error? Well, for Google, this data vocabulary project developed structured data based on markup on web application, and because of this, Google, in collaboration with other search engines, was able to create schema.org. But due to internet advancement, this data vocabulary has now become outdated, and the more widely shared schema.org is preferable to use, and due to this, the old datavocabulary.org is deprecated, meaning it is now disapproved from Google search result. So this is the consequence of this change, but your pages still remain valid for other purposes. But Google advises us to use schema.org or convert your structured data from datavocabulary.org to schema.org, and that is the reason we see this error. Now, I have already solved this error in Google Search Console through my Blogger website. So I had taken the images of those processes back then, so I cannot show you the video, but I will show you how to solve this error step by step with the help of these images. So let's begin now. So first of all, open Google Search Console using your Google account or Gmail ID. Now here in URL inspection, you can see a breadcrumbs with two valid items detected which have a warnings. Though these are the warnings, this can affect the ranking of your web page in Google search results. So if you click on this, it will show like this. Now here you can see datavocabulary.org schema deprecated. Though it is showing optional, but it is always better to resolve these types of errors. Now if you click on this breadcrumb URL, then it will show like this the HTML code, and I am having warning for 2 pages of my Blogger website. Now log into your Blogger account using the same Google account that you used to log in into Google Search Console. Now here click on theme, but before making any changes, just take backup of your theme, so that if we make any changes in your HTML code and if any error occurs, then you can restore back to your original theme. Click on edit HTML in theme section. But before that, I want to show you the HTML code which we are going to use to correct this error. This is the code. I have given the link of this code in the description box so that you can use it. Now copy This span item scope item http://datavocabulary.org breadcrumb HTML code section from your breadcrumb error page of Google Search Console. Then go back to Blogger and theme, edit HTML section, then type Ctrl F and paste the copied code in the search window. Now here it shows you where that code is located in HTML section of your theme. Now copy the first part of the given HTML code as shown here from your notepad or the Word file supplied in the description box and paste it here below the second highlighted HTML code as shown. Now coming back to our HTML file, copy ID backlinks as shown here and paste it in the search box of Blogger's HTML code. Now here you can see ID backlinks is highlighted and below that we can see ID breadcrumbs in the HTML code. Now copy the whole HTML code below ID backlinks up to end tag be includable as shown here. Now go back to our HTML file of error fixing code and select the whole code below be includable ID breadcrumb as shown here and paste it in place of earlier selected Blogger HTML code as shown here. And that's it. Save the whole changes you have made to the code and you are done with the process. Check the Google Search Console after few days and click on Test Live URL. Now here you can see no issues and 0 warnings as they are fixed by our implemented code. Now here it shows validation is passed, means our error is fixed. So in this way we have solved this datavocabulary.org schema deprecated error using our code.